Well, here we are back with the Mighty Farmall and looking at taking off this front cover here, so I can then start to fix this damage here, start to tidy up all the pinholing and pitting that's in the hood and start shaping everything up so that then it can be recoated, repainted and not look shit. Shit is an engineering term, by the way. So we'll fix up all that, fix up all these rust holes in here, and likewise with the fuel tank, I need to take the fuel tank off, so probably do some bodgy system to connect the fuel tank. As you can see, it's pitted as well, so it will also need a little bit of love and attention. Sand that back. Auxiliary fuel tank will stay in place to run the tractor for a wee while, but then then we'll get that all done, get that all sorted out and back on, and then she'll be tidy enough until I'm able to come back to it and do the full restore.